Let's look today into how to use this machine that's known as that is the name brand or the specification model number 747. This is an old machine, but somehow it does the job right. And I'm gonna just show you and instruct you how to use this machine. By first, you're gonna turn it on by pressing this green button, but make sure you have the outlet already hooked into any electrical or electricity. Okay, so from this moment, since it's kind of loud, I'm just gonna go ahead first, show you the lower part, how to use these pedals. These two pedals, one is on the right side and one is on the left side. The right side is only to lift. As soon as you press, what you're doing is you're lifting only this footer little higher. See, you can see that. So what I'm doing now is only lifting with my right foot presser, that right there. As soon as you press, this is what you're doing. You're lifting that so that you can put the material in there. Okay, so now if I want to stick this in there, all I'm gonna do is put the material straight and lift that with your leg, and then it's right there. So at the moment I'm using one hand for the camera. It's kind of very hard. That's all you're gonna do. You stick it in there, and then you drive with your left foot. It's just this is the lifting it, and this is to accelerate, to move the material forward. I'm gonna try showing you at the moment how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so you can see now from the top, I'm gonna lift it up, put it there, turn it on. So that's how it does. Somehow the upper looper, the lower looper threading somehow. And how to open this machine is easy. All you gotta do is just stick your hand in there, press it this way, get it here, then you can lower it. And then also when putting it, don't just press it, you have to press it this way, lower it while you're pressurizing it. Here it is. This is the lower looper that comes up from here. The 3 threads, as you can see, that is the lower looper, goes down there, goes up from here. First goes from here to this, and then to this, and then it carries into that hole, goes down there, here, lower holes. It is hard for you to see, I think. There are a lot of dust on other. Okay, so you put there, that's the lower looper. Okay, it's hard for you even to see the thread, right, because of the a lot of overleft dust. Okay, first, before you stick your finger in there, make sure you turn it off. Okay, press the red button to turn it off. This is the upper looper. The lower looper comes up from that gray or gold thread, and then it comes into this, goes there. The lowest holes, you can see that it came from where? From here, there, and you're gonna stick it here. I don't think you can see it, but it is. I'm gonna zoom it. As you can see that. First, it came from there, down. There. You can see that gold thread. I separated for a reason, for others to understand how it goes. So this one, the lower looper, will be the one that goes lowest of all. The thread will go carry down these holes, and it will go to the lower looper. So to lift this, to open this, it is not hard. you just gonna press this little heart, and then the top part you just throw with the other finger. Anyway, this is how you do it. After you open that, you can, let me redo it. Press that down and then use your thumb to remove this out of the way. Also, you can do the upper part of the machine. You can, this first is easy to open in case you want to do some work to insert the thread into the needle, or the lower looper, upper looper. This is the lower looper and that is the upper looper. However, this is, you are first to thread. Let me show you first how this works. Do you guys see how I zoomed it? This is clear. Do you see where the white thread goes into? It goes from this side. Let me return it back. It goes from this side and it comes here and it goes straight. And when it comes here, it will go to the tip of it, to the other side. So whenever you're inserting it, insert it towards that direction. Do not insert to the opposite. And you can't even do it. There's a specific tool that's known as pick tool that we use. Yeah, right there. I zoomed it. That's where it goes. And the other looper, whether it is lower or upper, I don't even know the difference between them. But we insert from this side where I'm moving right now. Let me move it right. Okay, do you see that? Where the thread is sticked from this side, and the other side of it, you cannot access it from that side, so you have to move the rotating knob here, and then it comes up. You can see there. Now you can insert it with your own eyes, with your own tool. Stick the thread from here to that direction. So what we found was this thread specifically has sharper edge, which cuts the thread so quick whenever you kind of battle it quicker